Hello, this is JIPANGE Education Center. My name is Mr. Ali Habib Rashid, and this is chemistry class. Today, I'm going to teach you the methods of balancing chemical equations. Basically, there are two methods of balancing chemical equations, uh, algebraic method and inspection method. But most of the students and some of the teacher do not understand how to balance chemical equation by algebraic method. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to teach you balancing chemical equation by algebraic method. Balancing chemical equation by algebraic method, also known as by calculation. So in order to understand the steps of balancing chemical equation by algebraic method or by calculation, just consider the following example. Our example needs us to balance chemical equation for the reaction between hydrogen gas and oxygen gas to form water. So in order to balance equation like this one, first you are supposed to have algebraic equation. So in order to have algebraic equation, you are supposed to put a known coefficient in front of each molecular species present in our equation. So that is the first step. So we use letter as a known, and we put it in front of each molecular species. For example, put A there, B here, and C there. Then the second step, you have to write the balance condition of each element present in our equation by using the unknown present. So because we have three unknown, so we use that three unknown to write the balance condition of each element. For example, the balance condition for hydrogen. So we have two hydrogen atom in our equation. So we have to write 2A is equal to 2C, because there are two hydrogen atom at C. Then for oxygen, we have two atoms of oxygen in term B, so we write 2B is equal to, we have one oxygen atom in term C. So we write is equal to C. So balance condition for hydrogen give us the first equation, while the balance condition for oxygen give us the second question. Then after formulating the algebraic equation from the balanced condition of each element, we move to the step 3. So in step 3, you have to let one of unknown is equal to 1. So for example, you can let A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. So from this, you get the third equation, third algebraic equation. Then you use the value of this A to calculate the value of B, for example, or the value of C from the that's two equations. So we substitute this value of A in equation 1, for example. Then substitute value A in equation. So from equation 1, which is 2A is equal to 2C, but the value of A is equal to 1. So we find the value of C by substituting the value of A in equation 1. So we will get 2. So we put 1 there is equal to 2C. Then by dividing by 2 in both sides, we get C is equal to 1. Then after getting the value of C, we use it to find the value of B. So we substitute the value of C in equation 2 so as to find the value of B. So from equation 2, which is 2B is equal to C. But C is equal to 1. So we have to find the value of B by substituting the value of C, which is equal to 1. So we put 1 there, then you divide by 2 in both sides, then B is equal to a half. So after getting the value of B, the value of C, and the value of A, we have to place this value of unknown in respective position from the chemical equation. So from our chemical equation, which is hydrogen plus oxygen to form water. Here is A, here is B, here is C. So the value of A, we know that is 1, so we have 1 hydrogen, and the value of B is a half, so a half oxygen. Then the value of C is 1, so we have the 1 water molecule. So after placing the value for each unknown in respective area at our equation, so you have to make sure that the equation do not have a fraction, because the reaction do not involve the fraction of a molecule. So we have to remove the fraction from our equation. In order to remove the fraction from our equation, we have to multiply the whole equation by the denominator of the fraction. So here, the denominator of the fraction is 2. So we have to multiply the whole equation by 2. So you multiply 2 by each of the coefficients in our equation. Therefore, 2 times 1, we get 2 hydrogen molecule plus 2 times a half, we get 1 oxygen molecule. And then 2 times 1, we get 2 2 water molecules. So our balanced chemical equation will be 2 hydrogen molecule plus oxygen molecule to form 2 water molecules. So this is our balanced chemical equation. For more information, you can contact us through this number. Also, you can visit us at Nyakabindi